Hi everyone, my name is Abdullah Alqahtani and my partner name is
Nasser Alqahtani.
In this video, we're going to show you a test of our project, which is
Redesign of air-operated double-acting diaphragm pump. First, let's see how is the original diaphragm pump working.
The liquid chambers are alternately filled and emptied by fluid that is drawn through a common inlet and discharged through a single outlet. The diaphragms in each chamber are linked by a single shaft, allowing them to move in unison. The air valve directs pressurized air to the back of diaphragm A. This begins chamber B's suction stroke.
this project. Our design objective was to provide alternative to drive mechanism for the pump and to achieve more control over the flow and the pressure control of the pump.
We completely removed the pneumatic valve from the pump and we replaced it with air cylinder. This air cylinder is operated by using PLC system.
Well, we wanted to talk about Nasser's diaphragm pump senior project development. I think it was important in the fact that we reverse engineered a commercially viable product. We characterized a cavity. We devised experiments in which to measure displacement as a function of stroke on the diaphragm pump. From that, we conceived of ways that we could drive the pump, and we put it under PLC control, and we were able to make adjustments so that we could vary the flow rate. And those adjustments can be also put under PLC control. So we were quite pleased in the amount of information we gained from this development effort. It gave us insight in how to conceive of experiments to perform when we're trying to assess characteristics of different types of products. And so also getting in and measuring and trying to model the cavity, and then in turn experimentally trying to correlate our flow rate measurements with what we would think would be acceptable performance projections based off our analytical model. So we gained a lot of insight into not only the particulars on this diaphragm pump, but how to proceed on reverse engineering efforts in general. And I'm sure that's going to serve us well in future design projects as we broaden the scope of our product development efforts. So that's what I have to say about the particulars on this project.
We have a PLC control logic. It's running two timers, time on, time off. The output of the PLC is actually running our control valve. Control valve is then running the pump. We have a quarter second on, quarter second off for a half second period.
Make sure you get that diaphragm from right here. You can see it moving back and forth. You can see it? Get it? And here's this. Okay? Alright, you're gonna have to go